Going on, guys? Giving y'all an update on the boat. Just installed the double cable steering, the dual cable steering. I had to drill another hole. I cut out another hole because it wouldn't fit through that one. That was a little snag, but it went a lot smoother than what I thought installing that. Now I'm about to put it in my steering wheel. As you can see, I still got to do all this wiring. I've been cleaning out my fuel tanks and rigging that up. I got brand new seats to put in. This thing got a trolling motor or nothing, or a motor. I got a motor that I'm looking at right now. Also, I resealed my transom. Took all the old caulking off, took it all off and resealed it. Make sure my transom stays good and dry. But yeah, coming along. There's new seats I got. I just set them in there. I didn't screw them down yet. I just wanted to see how it was gonna look. Let me know what y'all think. I think they look pretty sharp in there. Eventually I'm gonna recarpet the whole boat too. I'm gonna recarpet it. I don't know what color I'm gonna go with yet. I might just go back with a black, or I don't know, I might even do like a dark gray. Maybe something match the seats. Not sure. But yeah, let me know what y'all think. I think it's coming along decent. Still got a lot of work to do. But I'm ready to strap a motor on and roll. Ran into a few kinks with the paperwork on the boat. That's why I haven't been posting any videos on it. I kind of slowed down on the boat just to make sure that I'm gonna be able to get this thing even legal. So, but it's going through. I'm confident again about it, so I'm back working on it. All right, guys, thanks for watching. I hope y'all enjoyed it. I'll have more videos to come on the boat. So if you like my videos, hit like and subscribe. And remember, you never know what the next cast might bring.